This video shows how to clean the counting chambers, optocouplers and horizontal slider. Remove the screw on the shield cover. Fold a piece of paper and shape it as a groove. Put it on the top of WBC/RBC chamber to avoid the rust drop into the chamber. Use the Q-tip to clean the shield box and titanium pipe with 75% alcohol. Take out the paper carefully. Empty the two counting chambers and use Q-tips with 1 to 3 solution to clean the inner wall of the chamber. After finishing cleaning, click Clean WBC/RBC bath in the surface interface to refill the chamber with diluent. Use Q-tips to clean the slider with alcohol. Apply the slider with appropriate lubricating oil. Spread the oil evenly. Use Q-tips to clean the sensitive part of optocoupler with alcohol.